How to fix this problem on TikTok. Sorry, looks like you're not eligible for TikTok, but thanks for checking us out. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video, I will show you how to fix this problem right here. So if you want to create an account or to sign up to TikTok, you have to enter your birthday, right? So if you go and enter this birthday, let's say, and then click next, it appears this problem. So let's try to fix it. I have a few options for you. First of all, you have to make sure, of course, because it's very important, to update your TikTok app. So you can go to your Play Store, search for TikTok, and then see if you have an update button. I have an update button, so I can click on it, and after that I think it will work. Now my app is updated, so we can try to open it and see if it works now. And then if it's still not working, I also have some options for you. Now click next. So it's still not working. Now you can go to your settings for the second method. Scroll down until you find apps. And then click on the search bar from the right top corner and search for TikTok. Click on the app. And then scroll down, go to storage. And then here you have to clear the data and the cache, the two buttons from the bottom of the screen. And now, if it's still not working, try to uninstall your app and then reinstall it again. After that, the last options, and I think the best, is going again to your TikTok and take a screenshot of your problem, of your error. Just like this. Now you have to click on the question mark from the right top corner on this page. Now click on Other from the bottom of the screen. Then click No. And now click Need More Help. And here you have to add your screenshot. Click on the photo. Add your screenshot. Click OK. And now here you have to enter your problem. And you can say, "Hello TikTok team. Please solve this problem for me," and stuff like this. You can say that you are not they say that you are not eligible to create an account on TikTok, and you can also add your email and your phone number so you can be contacted by TikTok on your email or phone number. And you have to wait for a response, maximum 3 days, 72 hours. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.